Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Bisap Academy in Science series. I am Ans Yadav. I am here with my new topic Maglev train, means driving without wheels and flying without wings. Firstly, we know about what is meant by Maglev. Maglev is equal to magnetic plus levitation. Now we learn the some laws of magnets. First, when the two opposite poles of the magnet come near to each other, then it feels a attractive force. And when the two same pole of the magnet come near to each other, then it experiences a repulsive force. Now what is levitation? Levitation means anything which may levitate, rise or float by means of a magnetic power is simply called as magnetic levitation. Means anything rise 10 centimeter above from the ground against gravitational force is called levitation. The Maglev train works on the basis of three principles. First, levitation. Second, propulsion. Third, literal guidance. Now we learn all the concepts by one. First, levitation. Levitation means anything rise 10 centimeter above from the ground against gravitational force is called levitation. So when anything rise 10 centimeter above from the ground, then the frictional force of the object is zero. So the object travel in very high speed. Similarly, when the train on the track, then in the track there are a superconducting coil installed, and in a train also a superconducting coil is installed. The poles of both train and track are similar, so the train rises 10 centimeter above from the ground against the gravitational force. So it runs in a very high speed because the frictional force is zero. The second law of the Maglev train is propulsion. Propulsion means an alternating current is run through electromagnet coil on the guide walls of the guideway. This creates a magnetic field that attracts and repels the superconducting magnets on the train and propels the train forward. Means it helps to train move forward direction. The process of moving train in forward direction in a very high speed is called propulsion. Now we learn this concept from figure. This is a guide wall where superconducting coil are installed, and this is a train where also a superconducting coil is installed. This is the south pole of the train, and this is the south pole of the guide wall. When the south pole of the train come near to the south pole of the guide wall, then it experiences a repulsive force. But when the south pole of the train come near to the north pole of the guide wall, then it feels a attractive force. Similarly, when the north pole of the train come near to the north pole of the guide wall, then it also feel a repulsive force. But when the north pole of the train come near to the south pole of the guide wall, then it feels a attractive force. This process happen again and again, so the train move forward in a very high speed. The speed of the train appropriate 600 km/h. Now the third law of the Maglev train is the literal guidance. Literal guidance means maintain the balance of train on the track. Means when the train moves left side, then it feels a repulsive force from left side of a literal guidance wall, and feel a attractive force from other side of the literal guidance walls. Similarly, when the train moves toward right side, then it feel a repulsive force from right side of the literal guidance wall, and feel an attractive force from other side of the literal guidance wall. Now we understand this concept of three principles of maglev train by a 3D animated video. This is a maglev train which runs in a very high speed. We can see that in this picture, the train levitates 10 centimeters above from the ground by the levitation. Levitation works when the speed of the train is 50 miles per hour. We can also see that this is a track and this is a train. In the track, there are superconductive coil installed, and in a train also a superconductive coil installed. The pole of the superconductive of track and train are similar, so the train rises 10 centimeters above to the track. This is a guide wall and this is also a guide wall. There are a superconductive coil are installed by which the train moves forward direction in a very high speed. And this is a lateral guidance wall, and this is also a lateral guidance wall which makes maintain the balance of the train on the track. I hope you can understand this topic. Thank you.